Do you know how to display the file extension in Windows Explorer? Let me show you how. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. Now, as standard, we don't usually in File Explorer actually see the file extension. So that's after the file name, there's a full stop, and then there's 3 or 4 characters that actually tells the computer what program it needs to open it. We don't use it all the time, but just occasionally it's quite useful. So here I am in File Explorer. I've got a folder set up specifically to show you this. And in Explorer, I'm going to click on the last tab, View, and you can see here sort of right middle, I've got file extensions in the show and hide group. As I select that, they now show not just the file name, and the icons, but also the full stop and letters at the end. Why is this useful? Well, quite simply, Microsoft will always try and show you the relevant extension for the file it's going to pick, but it's not always the document that you think. So if we go through the standard options, there's Excel, it's XLS because it's a M365 file. Um, we've got PowerPoint, PPTX, again, that's fine. And you can see Word, DOCX. So that's our standard ones. But you'll notice I've got an additional Excel file, but it's actually CSV. That's comma separated values, something that we tend to use if we're uploading files into other systems. But that's something we're not covering specifically in today's session. In terms of Word, you can say, yes, I've got Word, and it's a slightly different option, but I've now got RTF. That stands for Rich Text Format. You can see I've also got TXT, which is a text document, and it's giving me a different icon. And I can even save Outlook as an MSG message file with just the envelope. If you don't need to see this, and as I said, you won't need to see them all the time, we can always click on File Extension under the Show Hide option again and actually now hide them. It doesn't change anything about the files, it just hides those characters at the end of the file name, the extension. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. It really does help the video and my channel. And if you'd like to be notified as new videos become available every week, remember to subscribe and click that notification bell. I will see you next time.